Hey guys, what's up? I just got this heated blanket from Amazon, so I'm gonna open it up. We'll have a look at it. We'll see how long the cord is, get it plugged in, see how long it starts to warm, see what the settings are, all that good stuff. I live in Florida, where we only need something like this for a couple of months out of the year, but we are having a cold snap this week, so I'm excited to pull this out. Okay, we have it. Here's our cord with the settings. So, get that plugged in a minute. Set this over here. I love to open up compressed bags. It's always fun to see everything expand. So I'm just going to cut the top of this, being careful not to cut the blanket. You can kind of hear the air start to release. All right. Now, let's pull this out and have a first look. Okay, so we've got this, feels very like silky, very plush, and similar on the other side. It's just very soft, like you could just, I love like textures and stuff, so I could see just sitting there like petting this. And then tag, let's kind of open it up here. Got a pretty good size. Seems like this is going to be plenty for one person, and two people could probably sit under it pretty easily. You can kind of feel like the heating element throughout a little bit, but you need that in there, right? Like, and the blanket itself is like really soft, so that's nice. Sorry, I just hit the camera. Let me find where we have the plug on here. Ah, here it is. Okay. This is what that looks like. So let's grab the cord. Just gonna unwind this so we can get the full length there. Does seem like plenty long. So it's got a lot of reach. And then looks like we have 5 settings. Go ahead and plug this in. It just snaps right in. We have warm, low, medium, high, and most high. It's kind of the shape of that there. And let's take this off the end and go ahead and plug this in. Excuse me for a second. All right. Got that plugged in. I'm assuming we're going to press and hold to turn on. Yep. And it goes right into the low setting. It's funny, on the camera that looks yellow, but it's actually red. I don't know why it looks yellow through the camera lens. Okay, so let's change this. The light is just above whichever one you're using. And then let's see how long this starts to warm. We've got it on the most high setting. I want to see when I can really start to feel that. Oh, I already do. Like right here, like on some of like the heating element. You can feel it just starting to warm a little bit. That's so cool. I haven't used a heated blanket in a pretty long time, and I'm super excited for this. I have a camper van, and so sometimes like on really cold nights, it's handy to have something like this. This is going to be perfect for that for me. But also just today in my house because it's really cold and I love the cold. I don't like to put a heater on. I like to just be cold, but like cozy. So this is kind of perfect for that. Oh, it feels so nice. Just that like warm starting to come through. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. It's definitely super soft, feels well made, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. All right, guys, have a great day.